Good morning, class. Today we are going to start a new lesson, that is lesson number 16, reflection of light. See, first you know what is a light. Light is a form of a energy. You heard about light energy? So light, it is a form of a energy which produces the sensation of vision. सेंसेशन ऑफ विज़न का मतलब है कि लाइट की वजह से ही हम कोई चीज़ देख पाते हैं. एनी थिंग अराउंड अस, एनी थिंग लाइक द नेम ऑफ लेसन राइट नाउ यू आर एबल टू सी. एट प्रेजेंट आप ये नेम ऑफ लेसन देख पा रहे हो. दैट इज़ ऑल्सो ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ अ लाइट. इफ लाइट इज़ नॉट देयर वी आर नॉट एबल टू सी एनी थिंग अराउंड अस. अंडरस्टूड? So let me write the definition of light, then we will start the reflection of light. See, the form of energy which produces sensation of vision is called light. You all have to write this definition in your notebook. Because of light only we are seeing a beautiful happening in the nature, like for example rainbow, clouds, flying birds, etc. This all are happen only because of a light. If light is not there we are not able to see all these things. Even if light is not there we cannot see each other. हम लोग एक दूसरे को भी नहीं देख सकते अगर लाइट नहीं रहेगा तो. Understood? So light is more important than any other things. Now come to our topic, reflection of light. Reflection means what? Reflection का नाम से ही देखो कोई चीज़ रहती है. For example, first let me write the definition, then I will explain. See, the light ray falls on the surface and change their direction and turn back. This is called the reflection of light. For example, let's see, this is any wall. ये कोई दीवार है. The light ray is falling from like this and then it turn back like that. So I will just give, this is the wall. ये here any source of lights are there. यहाँ से लाइट पास हो रही है. तो ये जो लाइन आ रही है दिस वन वी कॉल्ड एज अ इंसिडेंट रे. इंसिडेंट रे इज़ फॉलिंग ऑन दिस वॉल एंड देन सी हियर, इसके बाद लिखा क्या, फॉल्स ऑन द सरफेस एंड देन चेंज देयर डायरेक्शन. तो ये इसका डायरेक्शन चेंज हो जाएगा. इट मूव्स इन दिस डायरेक्शन. तो इसको बोलेंगे रिफ्लेक्टेड रे. रिफ्लेक्टेड रे एंड टर्न बैक. देखो ऐसे आया, इसका डायरेक्शन चेंज हुआ और वो दूसरी तरफ मुड़ गया. दिस प्रोसेस इज नोन एज अ रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट. क्लियर एवरीवन व्हाट इज रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट? ओके, नाउ लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट सब टॉपिक, that is laws of reflection. Let's start the next one. Okay, now let's start the law of reflection. This I will explain with the help of the diagram. Just assume this is any surface. Okay, this is any surface. Now one perpendicular line is here. This is the perpendicular line. The incident ray here, ये जो incident ray था, I will draw the incident ray here. Is incident ray is falling from this side and reflected at this side like that. Understood? Let me naming this. This one is a any hard surface. Okay, this is a normal line. perpendicular line है ना, perpendicular line is known as a normal line. This is incident ray, and this one is a reflected ray. Okay, now see, this reflected ray and normal line, between this any angle is formed. This angle is denoted by small letter I. This small letter I means incident angle, and here form the another angle. This is denoted by small letter R. This small letter R means the reflected angle. Understood? I repeat again, any hard surface, one perpendicular line, that is known as a normal line. Incident ray is coming from this side and changing its direction, that is reflected ray. Incident ray and normal line form the angle of incidence, that is I, and reflected ray and normal line form angle of R, that is reflected angle. Now our law starts. The first law is the angle of incident is always equals to the angle of reflection. Angle of incident is always equals to angle of reflection. Second law is there. This incident ray, normal ray and reflected ray all are in a same plane. Understood? Now third one is this incident ray and reflected ray are opposite side of normal line. मीन्स ये नॉर्मल है तो इंसिडेंट रे लेफ्ट साइड में है तो रिफ्लेक्टेड रे राइट साइड में होगा. अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन? So this is the three law you have to write in your notebook. Here don't write angle I equals to angle R. You have to write the full statement which is given in the textbook. Use the textbook for the statement number 1 and statement number 2. First law of 3, write this one only. I equals to R means if angle I is 30. For example, if angle I is 30, so angle R is also a 30 degree. If angle I equals to 39, so angle R is also 39. Understood? Okay. Now move to the next part, that is the type of the reflection.